Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will show you how to repost a full reel on Instagram story. I think you are wondering about this, but it's too easy. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. First you have to click a reel which you want to repost on your story. So this is the reel which I want to repost on my story. So this is the full reel and I want to share on my Instagram story. To share, click on the paper aeroplane icon. So you see the option add reel to your Instagram story. So you see the option your story. Click on the option your story. Your story will be uploaded. So this will be reposted as your story. To check it, go to the profile and click on your profile picture to check it. So you see that the video that the reel is reposting uploading. So this is the reel which is reposted.